Loosen the fork cap. Once it's loose, remove it with your fingers. Remove the fork cap top, put it in a plastic bag. Insert your oil level removal tool and make sure that this is set a little higher because it's going to sit on top of the triple tree. So you want to give yourself maybe another 5 millimeters from where you think you should be. Start drawing out the oil. Have a bottle ready to put the oil back in a bottle that is somewhat clean. You can see the oil's already a little contaminated. The giant syringe failed. Luckily my spouse is in medical, so I have made my own syringe to draw the liquid out. This medical part is super time consuming. Be very careful with the plunger, take your time. Otherwise it'll wind up on the ceiling over there where that red spot is. Also the rubber plunger inside of the tube separated from the plastic part. So that bigger plunger is dead until I can figure out a way to fix it. If you really think about this, this becomes a spill issue. So you really want to protect the side of your bike with a rag and some tape. To get the best measurement results, make sure the tube is laying flat against the outer tube of the fork tube. That way you know you got the measurement from the back side of the tube. And I'm drawing air now, so it looks like after 4 or 5 pumps and 4 or 5 hose failures that I finally got all the oil out into the syringe. Reinstall the fork cap. You can save the tightening for last. You just want to make sure that that's covered. Take this piece, the cloth and the tape, and move it to the other side of the bike. Remove the other cap. My dad used to say, it's all about the toss. So relocate your oil closer to your bike and repeat.